All right, good morning, everyone. I'm Samantha Dembo, Library Director for the Bay City Public Library. Welcome to the fourth part of our 5-week virtual parent-child workshop. Every Monday this month at 10 a.m. will be a new parenting topic with guest speakers. This initiative was originally funded with a grant by the Institute of Museums and Library Services and the Texas State Library and Archives Commission. In 2018, our library began the process of becoming a member of the Family Place Libraries National Network. These workshops are one component of this program, and more information can be found in our week 1 recording on the Bay City Public Library YouTube page. We do ask that you fill out a survey before this program and at the end of the 5 weeks. These are available by emailing sdembo@cityofbaycity.org. You can turn these in at the library or email them back to me. Today, we have Wade Zediker with Region 3 Early Childhood Intervention here to share information about services that ECI offers and things to look for in your child's development, speech, and hearing. We will have time at the end for questions. Please note that this presentation will be recorded. All right, Wade, it's all yours.
Hello, and thank you for having me today. Like Samantha said, my name is Wade Zediker, and I'm a public outreach specialist for the Region 3 Early Childhood Intervention Program. Let me just pull up my presentation. Okay. So this presentation is designed to provide you with information about your early childhood intervention or ECI program and the services that we provide and the benefits that we can offer should you feel that you or someone that you know is in need of our services. Today, in addition to telling you about our program, we will also be talking about typical developmental red flags to watch out for. So for ECI, the Texas Health and Human Services Program for Early Childhood Intervention serves children birth up to 36 months with developmental delays or disabilities across the state of Texas. Services are provided in a child's natural environment, such as the home, child care facility, or public park. ECI uses the coaching approach to guide parents and caregivers strategies to address developmental needs by incorporating learning and skill building opportunities in the child's everyday routines and activities. You reside in the coverage area of the Region 3 Education Service Center ECI program. Currently, we serve 13 counties in the Golden Crescent, including Calhoun, Austin, Colorado, DeWitt, Goliad, Gonzales, Jackson, Karnes, Lavaca, Matagorda, Refugio, Victoria, and Wharton. It's important to know that anyone can make a referral to ECI, including a parent, a family member, caregiver, friend, childcare teacher, doctor, or social worker. Referrals can be made through written referral and documentation by medical professionals, through phone, or through our ECI program's website. Once a child is referred to an ECI assessment, an evaluation will be completed to determine eligibility. Eligibility can be determined in one of 3 ways: through a qualifying medical diagnosis, deaf and hard of hearing, visual impairment, or developmental delay. Examples of qualifying medical diagnoses include extremely low birth weight if less than 1 year old, cerebral palsy, or Down syndrome. A child will automatically meet eligibility requirements if there is an auditory or visual impairment as defined by the Texas Education Agency. These are just a few of our automatic qualifiers, as there are many more listed on our website. ECI services are provided by certified and licensed professionals, such as early intervention specialists, which are unique to Texas as they are the only provider type in the state that is permitted to deliver Medicaid reimbursed specialized skills training, or SST. SST focuses on supporting developmental domains with emphasis on strengthening cognitive skills, positive behaviors, and social interactions. Speech language pathologists, occupational therapists, physical therapists, licensed professional counselors, registered dietitians, and speech therapists are all which we have in-house across our coverage area. ECI providers offer an array of services, including OT, PT, ST, SST, counseling, nutrition services, and infant massage. In addition, we offer case management, where a member of each child's support team assists in coordinating care, that there are ensuring that there are seamless handoffs between different disciplines and caregivers outside of their ECI team. ECI uses the evidence-based practice of coaching to help parents and caregivers incorporate beneficial intervention strategies into a child's daily routines. Studies find that children who participate in high-quality early intervention, early childhood development programs tend to have less need for special education and other remedial work, greater language abilities, improved nutrition and health, and experience less abuse and neglect. Now we will look at how to identify potential developmental red flags. Remember, every child develops differently and at their own pace. Because of this, you will see ranges in typical development. For example, not every child will walk independently at 12 months. It is important for you to notice when your child begins to develop a new skill and that you are able to identify if he or she may have a developmental delay. Again, notice that the red flags are listed in age ranges as development is independent to the child. Also, there are a few examples of red flags as children can have, and there are many more available on our website and in our pamphlets. So to begin, for babies 0 to 18 months, red flags include the inability to bend arms or legs, not smiling, moving, or looking at you when you speak, not making sounds by 3 months old, not babbling by 6 months old, or they use no words by 12 months old. For toddlers 18 to 36 months, some red flags include tantrums that last 20 minutes or longer, frequently or intentionally hurting or biting others, not looking at you when you call his or her name, not playing with toys, flapping hands, rocking, or swaying consistently, or they do not point out objects that he or she wants. Red flags that can present themselves at any age, 0 to 36 months, includes fussing or crying a lot, even when not hungry or tired, having trouble falling or staying asleep, not noticing people, being generally unhappy most of the time, or a loss of speech, babbling, or social skills. Some of these are expected to happen with younger infants or toddlers, but if the behavior persists, it should be considered a red flag. This is when you would reach out for your local ECI program. In conclusion, your local branch of early childhood intervention is ready and willing to provide or be the resource to ensure that every child everywhere has the best chance available to have a great start to their life. 2021 will mark 40 years that Region 3 ECI has served this area, and we are hopeful and optimistic of the future to come. If you have concerns about children in your care, children receiving care, or are wanting more information about what ECI can do, we are happy to assist. You can visit our website by Googling Region 3 ECI, and there are some great resources available if you would like further information. You will also have access to our ECI team to be able to contact if you would like to discuss any concerns regarding your child's development. I want to thank the Bay City Library and Samantha Denbo for inviting me to provide this presentation for you. And thank you so much.
All right, so thank you, Wade, for presenting that information to us. Next week, we will be back to learn about play and movement and just different ways that you can incorporate that with your child to help them grow and learn. And so we're excited for that. It will be our last program for this session. And we do hope that in the fall, you will be able to join us again, hopefully in person, and get to enjoy the play-based version of this program. If you ever have any questions, please reach out to us at the library. Our phone number is 979-245-6931. And we are here to help you. Our youth services team includes myself, Ginny Thomas as our children's specialist, and Amanda Garcia is our teen specialist. So if you ever have questions, please give us a call. Thank you.